Welcome back to Hydrohaven. Today I'm sharing an Amish-inspired technique that will transform your depleted soil with minimal effort. If you hate digging and tilling but want rich, productive soil, you're in the right place. Let's dive straight into this lazy farmer's method that lets nature do the hard work for you. What you'll need. Gather these simple materials: organic matter, straw, hay, leaves, or newspapers; animal manure, horse, cow, or chicken is best; kitchen scraps, vegetable peelings, coffee grounds, eggshells; water, and some finished compost if you have it. The layer and rest method. Begin by identifying your target area. Don't remove existing vegetation. Leave it right where it is. Water the area thoroughly if the ground is dry. Next, spread a 2-inch layer of nitrogen-rich material, like manure or kitchen scraps, directly on top of the existing vegetation. Then, cover this with a much thicker layer, about 6 to 8 inches, of carbon-rich material such as straw or hay. If you have compost, sprinkle a thin layer on top. Finally, water everything thoroughly until it's completely moist. Now for the lazy farmer's favorite part: walk away and let nature do the work. What happens next? Well, over the next several months, incredible transformations occur under your mulch. The vegetation dies and decomposes. Earthworms move in, pulling organic matter down while aerating the soil. Beneficial fungi establish networks that break down tough materials. The layers gradually settle as decomposition progresses. Only check occasionally to ensure it remains moist during extended dry periods. Otherwise, hands off. Planting without digging. When spring arrives, pull back a section of the mulch to reveal dark, crumbly soil full of earthworms. No digging needed. For small plants, simply make a hole in the mulch, plant directly in the enriched soil beneath, then close the mulch around the plant. For larger vegetables, pull back the mulch in rows where you'll plant, place your plants in the rich soil, then reposition the mulch around them. The mulch continues breaking down all season, feeding your plants while suppressing weeds and retaining moisture. No additional fertilizing needed. Keep it going. To maintain this system year after year, simply add new layers of organic material each fall or whenever a bed becomes available. The method becomes more effective over time as soil life establishes. The Amish have used this approach for generations, proving its sustainability. The best part? Your back stays unbroken and your soil gets better every year. Quick troubleshooting tips. Not seeing results? Your layers might be too thin. Add more carbon material on top. Smelly pile? Your nitrogen materials might be too concentrated. Add more straw or leaves to balance it out. Seeing pests? Add another inch or two of carbon material as a barrier. Layer not breaking down? Check moisture levels. It should feel like a damp sponge. If you've been killing yourself with tilling and digging only to see mediocre results, give this Amish-inspired method a try. Your soil will thank you, your plants will thrive, and your back will wonder why you didn't discover this years ago. If this lazy farmer's guide to soil revival saved your back, please hit subscribe and share this video with friends who need to work smarter, not harder. Until next time, remember that sometimes doing less is actually doing more for your garden.